What's going on, Slimer? What? What you got there, Slimer? What? You got a freaking a package? What? Well, give me it, you freaking spud. Yeah, you better get going over there. No, you better get going. I say get going, Slimer. I'm warning you. I told you to get going, Slimer. That's what I thought. Anyway, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm back with another awesome unboxing and review. And today we're taking a look at something you can actually do a cosmetic upgrade for your tires, for your Transformers Siege and Transformers Earthrise, Ironhide, and Ratchet. Now, I have the Siege versions. I do not have the Earthrise versions yet. But anyway, quick unboxing here, and wonder what it is from. And it is from JRC Designs, and definitely really good person to deal with. Really good stuff going on here. These are I only got one set, but I wanted to see how they would be. But they really looked at pretty good. And here's one of them. It's a tire upgrade. Me and Input thought they were rubber tires, but they are 3D printed. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a hands-on look whenever we get these suckers installed. You get a pack of 4 of them, and they're really good. It actually got the little treads on them and everything. So, yeah, very cool. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we'll catch you guys over at the table, and we'll install these on Ironhide and Ratchet one at a time. Probably pop them off, see how they look on each other. So I'll catch you guys at the table, and welcome to my channel. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we got Ironhide and Ratchet over here at the table, and here's 1 tire, 2 tires, 3 tires, 3 tires, 4 tires, but anyway, alright, anyway, this is from, like I said, giving her a good shout out to JRC Designs. Very cool. Definitely bought from him before, and yeah, very cool. Here's the details of the tires itself. It's really good. Kind of gives you that nice earth-based rim look, and they're just solid black, which is pretty cool. Which is pretty darn cool. And you get 4 of them. And like I said, you can actually see the tire treads in it, which is pretty cool. And I highly recommend it right off the bat so far. Now, this is going to be my live installation, because I had never put them on yet at all. So it's going to be very interesting. So just bear with me. So, anywho. Now, you're supposed to just pop these right off. We'll go with Ironhide first, since he was released in the Siege. You just pop these tires right off, just like so. And you're supposed to just install them like so. Now, right off the bat, they do not roll. But, I'm not too worried about that. It might just be just being tight. But now that one rolls a little alright. But that's what it looks like on that side. And then you get the ugly wheels over here on that side. But these wheels do look good on this side as well. So we'll just keep those right there. And then we'll pop Ratchet's 2 off. Like so. and let's see if it's different, because they do fit. So now you got Earthrise, well, Siege, Ratchet, and Ironhide with their new wheels. Like I said, you got this plain side here, and then you got this side here. They don't, the tires do not want to roll on this, but I do believe they're mainly made for the Earthrise version. But the Earthrise one shares the same little bit of mold with the Siege. It's just retooled. I'm sure you probably just need to push down, like whenever you take these back off. Maybe sand these sand around a little bit, maybe to get the friction. I mean, sand them down a little bit around. Maybe that will help. But all in all, it's like I'm not really worried about if they roll or not. They fit on there nice. Maybe when we get them rolling more, they'll be better. But all in all, they're both the same size. There's no different sizes. So, which is pretty cool. And you push it down, they do roll. Yeah, maybe like I said though, if you get more friction down on it, yeah, they will go. But I actually do like the look of the tires for this compared to the gray, ugly looking thing. Now you can paint these silver, but it won't look as nice like earthly with these tires for Earthrise versions. But now we can take Ratchet's new wheels off and just take Ironhide's all off and just replace them with the tires. Now that one back air rolls pretty good, so it might just be like placement and rolling. So now that one's freely moving back here now. So, but that's what Ironhide looks like with the upgraded wheels. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so you can actually have if you want to, you can have the ugly looking ones. The Hasbro ones do roll pretty good. Don't get me wrong, they do roll pretty good. But the JRC's design actually looks really good on the figure indeed. Like I was talking to Input, I was like, I do believe Input ended up getting a set himself. Definitely a very cool little set that you can get. Definitely, if you guys are interested in getting a set of this, set of these, I will leave the eBay link in the description down below on my channel for this. It's a very cool, nice little upgrade for your Earthrise and Siege, Transformers Earthrise Siege, and Earthrise Ironhide and Ratchet. And now the one thing I'm wondering, I was like, since you can pop these off, okay, right? You can pop these off. It makes you wonder what other ones you can be able to put on. You know what I mean? There's like the other figures. So each figure, you can probably pop these on another figure if it's made if they're almost like Ironhide and Ratchet's mushroom peg, like the peg for on this. But all in all, very cool, highly recommended. So if you guys and gals are interested in a set like this to go with your Earthrise, Ratchet, and Ironhide, and Siege Ironhide and Ratchet to make them a lot better, there will be a link down in the description down below to JRC Design on eBay. Definitely check him out on eBay. Definitely, I do believe he has other stuff available as well. Just another item that I actually picked up from JRC Design a while back. I do believe it was JRC Design. They actually had these trailer add-on pieces, and then the extension piece for the trailer for Optimus Prime for Earthrise. So, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. So yeah, I may be wrong on that, but it's like there's so much 3D printing out there, I can't keep track of everybody. But So yeah, very cool. Highly recommended, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, so you can actually have the ugly looking tires or a nice looking earth-based tires right here for your Siege or Earthrise, Ironhide, and Ratchet. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome review. Like I said, the link down in the description down below for if you guys and gals want a tire set yourself. I do believe they're like $5, $6, $7 for a set, and it ain't bad at all. The quality is really nice, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, till next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host Trans-Aaron38 talking again. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, comment on any videos I do. Keep a lookout for any new videos headed your way, and definitely check out everybody else's links down in the description down below, and keep an eye on Input. He will probably be doing a review of these as well, so definitely take a look at his channel as well, and give him some love as well, and tell him Trans-Aaron38 sent you. So yeah. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host Trans-Aaron38 talking again. Like I said, definitely an awesome kit, highly recommended. Not enough said. So until next time, I'm out of here. Later, guys and gals. Peace. Transform and roll out.